Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to upload files or images that are greater than the 8 megabyte Discord upload limit. So usually if you try to upload anything greater than that limit, it's going to just say your files are too powerful unless you have Discord Nitro, and even Discord Nitro has a limit. But today I'm going to show you how to bypass that limit in a very easy method. So if we exit out of that screen and go over to Google and search imgur.com. I already have it opened, and just drag and drop whatever files you want to upload. So I'm just going to upload an example file and just drop it into the drop images here box. After that, it should start uploading, and it's going to take a bit, and it's going to say upload completed. So if it doesn't open automatically, just refresh your page and it should show the image. Here's my image that I chose to upload. All we have to do to share it to Discord is just press the share icon and press the copy link icon, and then we can send it to any Discord server we want. So that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.